Hey everyone, I'm Jessica Dalcourt for CNET here at CES 2014 in Las Vegas, giving you your very first look at the extremely colorful Alcatel One Touch Pop C9. Now this phone, I have it in red here, but it also comes in blue, black, white, teal, and hot pink. Now this is a phablet phone because it has a 5.5-inch display. It's actually a QHD resolution instead of a 1080p resolution that you would expect, and that is 960 by 540. Inside it runs Android 4.2 Jelly Bean, but it is upgradable to Android 4.4 KitKat, so by the time it hits markets, it will probably be on that or very close. This phone runs on a 1.2 gigahertz MediaTek quad-core processor. Depending on the carrier, they could choose a VGA camera for the front or something a little higher. On the back, you could be getting either an 8-megapixel camera or a 5-megapixel camera. There is no LTE on this. It is HSPA+. Now, one thing that you should know about this is that Alcatel usually likes to price phones pretty low. You're looking at about $199 for this off contract, which is really great. I'd say it's more of a Samsung Galaxy Mega competitor than a Samsung Galaxy Note competitor because of some of the specs, although it could perform really well. One thing I should also say is that I really am digging the design. Two of the colors have this nice soft touch backing, and the others have a glossy finish. If you look to the side, you'll also note that this phone has dual SIM cards. You may not see that in all markets, though. You can already buy the Pop C9 in China, and you can expect to see it in other markets soon. Not sure if it's going to come to the US, so you'll have to just wait and see. But if you do live in European countries and other Asian countries, then you probably will see this phone. I'm Jessica Dalcourt for CNET. You can catch all of our great CES coverage at cnet.com.